Raptor Adventures. Raptor Adventures. Raptor Adventures. Raptor Adventures. Subscribe. Smash that like button. And we'll see you on our next Raptor Adventure. We're now down here at the marina. Just taking a look at the boats. Plenty of boats available today. And there is the beautiful Grand One. Right down there. One of these days, we are going to go out on that beauty. Here's some information for you. You go out on the Grand One, and it starts at $3.99 for day excursions and $7.99 for evening excursions. And they have some other options here. You can go out for bass fishing. That's not on the Grand One, that's on a pontoon boat. They have the fireworks cruise. And then they have the boat rentals, the sea racers and the tracker pontoon, and the bayliner, or the whaler Montauk. And then you can also rent the poolside cabanas and the poolside patio seating as well. And for all of those, you just call 407-WDW-PLAY, or for the fishing, 407-WDW-BASS.
How's it going, guys?
Here's one of the little sea racers that you can rent here.
And you guys are more than welcome to come inside. So throughout the day, it's $3.99 an hour. That's during the day, and at night it's $7.99 per hour. You get fireworks, 2 captains, snacks, things like that.
Wow.
You're able to order private dining as well. You guys are more than welcome to come in.
Wow, thank you.
Absolutely.
Beautiful. Yeah, this is definitely a must-do. Especially, and how many people did you say it can accommodate? 18 people. Yeah, like, so if you have 2 families, 3 families, I mean, it really would be perfect. You know, have a special celebration. Look at the TV. Nice kitchen area. Can we go below deck here?
Absolutely.
All right, nice seating areas.
How much crew do they have? Captain and...
They have just 2 captains. They sit up here. You guys are more than welcome. Especially at night, a lot of people like to climb up there, and they'll open up the little flaps they have, and you can watch the fireworks out
Nice.
there, the captains and stuff like that.
And then they stock like some snacks.
Yeah, so they have Lay's, pretzels, popcorn. They'll bring cookies. They'll have Coke, Diet,
Relax.
Sprite, water. And then you can also order private dining if you like. And then they can bring, you know, if you guys want wine. Yes, so it'll be like so it comes from, I believe, our
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
Oh, that's a couple.
usually an hour, hour and a half. Some people like to use the full 2 hours. And then you get all the music from the
Here is the restroom as well. Even a shower on board.
Yeah, so they have so you tour 7 seas and a
Here is the master bedroom with an awesome window right above. Very, very cool. Wow. This boat actually has 2 bathrooms on board. Unbelievable. This is the master bath. Unbelievable that this yacht has 2 bathrooms on board. That's awesome. 2 bathrooms on this yacht.
Wow.
You've got to see.
Get up, we rolling out like 10 is what we dream about. We cruise to the coast, hit the switch, top goes down, getting cash in every town. Give us green leaves and blue skies, soak up rays, catch a wave, 10 foot high. East coast to west coast, north to south, rock to ENT, gonna shout it out. Nature coast, Gold Coast, LA to Hollywood, tonight we toast, cause we are